How to avoid common Fiverr mistakes for new sellers. First of all, make sure your gig is clear and professional. Many new sellers make the mistake of writing bog descriptions or using low quality images. A clear title, detailed description, and professional visuals attract more buyers and build trust. Next, set realistic pricing and delivery times. Overpromising or underpricing can hurt your reputation and make it difficult to maintain quality. Start with achievable goals and gradually increase your rates as you gain experience and positive reviews. After that, communicate professionally with buyers. Ignoring messages, responding late, or being rude can lead to cancelled orders and negative reviews. Always respond politely, clarify requirements, and keep your communication concise and helpful. Also, avoid neglecting your Fiverr profile. A complete profile with a professional photo, skills, and certifications add credibility and increases your chances of getting orders. Finally, always deliver quality work on time. Missing deadlines, submitting poor quality work, or ignoring buyer instructions can damage your Fiverr reputation. Focus on providing excellent service to get positive reviews and repeat clients. Now you know how to avoid common Fiverr mistakes for new sellers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.